Smoky, spicy, and fragrant chicken pepper fry has got to be one of my favorite South Indian dishes, and now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make at home. Every time I go back to India, one of the dishes that I absolutely crave is chicken pepper fry. It's an authentic South Indian dish, chock full of smoky black pepper, ginger, garlic, spicy green chilies, and it's just so addictive. I can never get enough. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make at home. So we're starting off by marinating our chicken. I have chicken thighs here. I love thighs over breasts because it's so much more flavorful, and no matter how long you cook chicken thighs, they always stay tender and juicy. So I've just cut them into bite-sized pieces, and I'm gonna marinate it in a little bit of turmeric, some grated garlic, grated ginger, and salt to taste. I'm gonna mix the chicken until it's well coated, and we're gonna marinate it for 10 minutes. So while our chicken is marinating, we're gonna create the base for our fry, which could not be simpler. So I have a large wok here. You can also do this in a large frying pan. And to it, I'm gonna add some oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're gonna tip in our onions and cook them out until they're nice and golden brown. Then I'll grate in some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger and cook them out for a bit. And lastly, we're gonna go in with some Thai green chilies, which are nice and spicy, and some fragrant curry leaves, which we'll cook out for a few seconds until they're aromatic. At this point, I'll increase the heat to high and add in my chicken. We'll season with salt to taste and coat the chicken with all the ingredients in the pan. Then I'll reduce the heat down to medium, cover the chicken, and cook it for about 15 minutes until it's tender. So of course, the signature flavor for a chicken pepper fry are black peppercorns, and you want to get the most flavor out of them as possible. So I'm just adding them to a mortar and pestle, and I'm gonna crush them by hand until they're coarsely ground. You really don't want to use pre-ground black pepper here because it won't have the right amount of flavor. Our chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes. It's nice and tender now, and I'm gonna just season it up with our crushed black pepper. Give that a nice mix so that everything is well combined. I'm gonna cook it out until the excess moisture in the pan has evaporated. Lastly, I'm gonna squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. This is gonna add brightness to the dish and bring a lot of balance. We're gonna mix that to combine, and then off the heat, we're gonna garnish with fresh chopped coriander. And just like that, our chicken pepper fry is ready. I wish you could smell this chicken pepper fry. My entire kitchen smells so good right now. Let's grab a couple of pieces. Oh, you see the curry leaves, the coriander, all those little specks of black pepper. That's so spicy, but so good at the same time. This curry is so explosive in flavor. The very first thing that you get is the heat of the black peppercorn. It hits the back of your throat, and it plays off so well with the Thai green chilies, which are fruity, a bit bright, but also really spicy. They hit your tongue the most. And then all those flavors, the ginger, the garlic, the curry leaves, which add such a brilliant aroma, they come together beautifully in this dish. And of course, that little touch of lemon at the end, that's my secret that I'm sharing with you. It really perks things up and rounds out the flavor of this curry. So the next time you're looking for a taste of South India, consider chicken pepper fry, but be prepared for the heat.